To make sure you're getting the best visibility out of your Bontrager lights, we're here to show you how to mount them to your bike. We'll start with the rear light. All Bontrager lights and brackets are interchangeable with each other, so you want to make sure you're using the right type of bracket for each type of light. You can identify the quick connect bracket for the rear of your bike in one of two ways. One, by the wedge shape of the bracket, and two, by the saddle icon found next to the strap's hook. This bracket is designed to counteract the angle of the seat post so that the rear light is always parallel to the ground. This causes the light to be thrown directly behind you, giving you the greatest visible range and ensuring that drivers can see you. Hold the bracket so that the widest part of the wedge faces the ground and the saddle icon is upright. Attach the quick connect bracket to your seat post by stretching the rubber straps around your seat post and catching the hook securely through a notch on the strap. The tab on the hook will hold any excess strap in place. You'll want to place the light near the top of the seat post, but low enough that the light will not be blocked by a bag or seat pack. Now let's take a look at front lights. Heavier duty lights, like the Ion 800R, will use an adjustable hard mount bracket, while lighter weight lights, like the Ion 100R, will use a rubber quick connect bracket. While any Bontrager light can be attached to any Bontrager bracket, each light comes packaged with a bracket that's designed to work best with that particular light. If you're using the adjustable hard mount bracket, first, make sure that the bracket is set to fit the diameter of your handlebars. If you have 31.8mm handlebars, you'll want the bottom of the mount to hinge in the notch closest to the mount. If you have 35mm handlebars, place the bottom of the bracket in the notch furthest from the mount. Unscrew the bracket and place it around your handlebar. Once you've positioned the bracket so that the light is parallel to the ground, secure the mount by hand tightening the screw. Turning the screw until it's finger tight will be enough to hold the light in place. A quick connect bracket for the front of your bike will work the same way as the rear. The only difference is that the front bracket doesn't have a wedge to hold the light at an angle. Attach the quick connect bracket to your handlebar by holding the strap so the light is parallel to the ground. Then stretch the rubber straps around the handlebar and catch the hook securely through a notch on the strap. Of course, you'll need to remove your lights for charging and for cleaning, but lights can be easily removed from the bracket without removing the bracket itself. Simply press down on the release lever and slide the light off the bracket. Clean the lens of your light with a soft, damp cloth, and when you're finished charging, make sure that the USB cover is securely closed to keep out any water or debris. Then slide the light back onto the bracket until you hear it click into place. The most stable and secure way to ensure that your rear light is always visible to drivers is to mount it to your seat post. But there are a number of places you may want to mount your lights, including racks, helmets, seat packs, and maybe even your belt or backpack. Bontrager carries a variety of mount options to fit your style of riding, including blender mounts for clean installation directly into an integrated blender stem system. To learn more about Bontrager lights and check out even more mount options, visit trekbikes.com or check out your local Trek retailer. Keep those lights always on and enjoy your ride.